So today we will be going from Chandigarh to Delhi in Pan bus. Pan bus is also like supposed to take some buses, Volvo buses. And welcome everyone to capital of India, Delhi. ISBT Kashmiri Gate is one of the biggest bus stand in North India. So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my last video. Today it's third episode of Kashmir to Kanyakumari in RTCs. So today we will be going from Chandigarh to Delhi in Pan bus. Here is our bus. You can see it's from full route is Hoshiarpur to Delhi airport, and yeah, bus is too much good. In this video I will be giving you all the information about the bus, about the route and everything. So yeah, let's start our video. So first of all, let's talk about the bus. Our bus will be Pan bus, or you can say Punjab Roadways. It will be Volvo B8R. It's of Hoshiarpur depot. Also, I'm recording this after completing the journey because old files got corrupted, so I can't do anything in that. So quickly, let's talk about Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a very much good city. I will say one of my favorite city after Indore and Ahmedabad, because Chandigarh is having too much good facilities. Like from a cycle driver to a Mercedes driver, everyone have a road for them, a separate road for them, and also footpath is there all over Chandigarh. So you know, it's a very much good city, I will say. Or also I can say it's a no nonsense city. It's a peaceful city, everything is good here. So that's the thing. If we talk about local transport of Chandigarh, so it's CTU. CTU operates their low floor and other electric buses on local routes of Chandigarh. So I will show you some videos on screen so that you can take a reference at which buses I am talking about. So you can see here is our bus. The full route of bus is Hoshiarpur to Delhi airport, and you can see badging of Government of Punjab, Delhi airport route, and Punjab Roadways. It's a like a 12-meter bus. So you can see single axle bus, and yeah, emergency exit is there for safety point of view. And you can see it's a rear engine bus, same Volvo 9400 badging and all, route board, logo, etc. You can keep your luggage in dicky. And quickly let me show you the interior because almost time is there. Pan bus badging, and it's a Volvo Euro 4 bus. So it's a manual gear bus. You can see Volvo badging on the steering. So, and here is our seat. It's a pushback seat, 2x2 configuration, and you get charging point here as well, USB type charging point. So interior is pretty good, and yeah, I guess staff is about to come because almost time is there, only 5 minutes is left. So yeah, for now, let's depart towards Delhi. So as of now, we have departed from Chandigarh. From Chandigarh, we have departed at around 10 a.m. So that's the thing. Also, today we will be covering around 250 kilometers in this episode. That is Chandigarh to Delhi. Quickly, let's talk about our route. Our route will be from Chandigarh to Delhi. We will be going via Ambala, then Kurukshetra, Karnal, Panipat, then Murthal, then Sonipat. That's our route. And also, this is the bus. You can see it's having reading lights, which is not on, of course. AC blowers, which is giving like warm air because it's cold outside. Also, we have curtains and all the things. And let me show you the pushback also. See, like this, you can push it back and you can rest or sleep. Okay, so that's the thing. Also, you can see here is the like occupancy is normal, not that much, and you get luggage compartment also, overhead luggage compartment. So that's the thing. Although the bus is a bit less maintained because it's a bit old bus as compared to PRTC. PRTC is having BS6 buses as well. So I guess Pan bus is also like supposed to take some buses, Volvo buses. So for now, I will be showing you a bit cabin ride and overtakes. So keep watching. So as of now, we just took a 30 minutes break. I just had paratha here, so you can see it's Aman Dhaba. Rates are normal. Quickly, let's talk about our fare. Fare which I have paid is around 725. So that's the fare. So as of now, we have departed from the rest stop. Actually, a major problem is that I have recorded everything at the rest stop, but due to some mic issue, the file got corrupted, so that's why sound was not recorded. So that's the issue. Same happened with the morning video, that is which I have recorded at ISBT 17. So that also I need to re-record by teaching ISBT Kashmiri Gate. So that's the issue. Anyways, I am recording this again. So rest stop was good enough. I just had paratha, and also I took a raita as well. Rates were normal. Ambience was good as well. So rest stop is overall good enough. The name of rest stop is Aman Dhaba. So that's the thing. Also, I have already told you the fare, but still I am repeating. The fare which I have paid is around 725. If I compare it with Hariana Roadways, which operates Mercedes and Volvo, so it's I guess around the gap is around 25 rupees. So that's the thing. I have paid 700 rupees in that. So that's the thing. I guess because I have booked online, so that's why fare is a bit high. Like 25 rupees is high. So not a big deal, but still I'm telling you. Also, the rest of which we took was in Karnal. So Karnal is a famous place as well. The name Karnal is also on Danvir Karan, which was in Mahabharat. So if you may have seen, that's the good thing about India, that every city is having own history, own culture, and yeah, everything is different. So that's the good thing about India. So as you can see, from north to south we are going, and that's a good thing that we are exploring new culture, new things, new food everywhere. So yeah, for now let's continue our journey. I will be showing you more cabin ride as of now. Keep watching. So as of now, it is around 3:15 p.m. and welcome everyone to capital of India, Delhi. In Delhi, we are at ISBT Kashmiri Gate. Although the bus drops us outside Kashmiri Gate, that is the opposite side because it's going towards the airport. So it won't be coming inside. Of course, that's a common thing or normal thing. And you can see here is ISBT Kashmiri Gate. As of now, it looks a bit empty. But yeah, if you come here just after 4 hours, fixed 4 hours, then you may find here too many buses, literally too many buses, both government and private as well. So that's the thing. Also, ISBT Kashmiri Gate is one of the biggest bus stand in North India. I'm just saying one of the biggest. I'm not saying that biggest bus stand in India, because biggest is of course Chennai bus stand. Also, in this route you will be getting CTU as well and Haryana Road as well. So they are also operating their HVAC buses. The fare is around 500 rupees and also the fare of non-AC buses is around 350 rupees. So a major drawback is that the bus was running on 80 because it was logged on 80. So you know the cabinet was not getting too much interesting. Till now we have covered around 820 kilometers, 820 or 830 kilometers approx, I am telling you, from Srinagar to Delhi. And the next video will be too much interesting because it will be kind of a super fast video. You will be getting too much good overtakes, cabin ride and whatever you want. For now we will be ending this video, and also I hope you are enjoying this series and also this episode. Still, if anything I can make better, then do let me know in comments so that I can make it better. Don't forget one thing, that Kashmir to Kanyakumari, India is one. So yeah, let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.